Okay. Welcome, guys. Hi. So today I have a get ready with me video inspired by like Douyin, Chinese TikTok, or like Korean makeup. Not exactly that. Kind of like twist my take on it and what I've been doing every day. So if you guys want to see this cutesy makeup look, please keep watching and I hope you enjoy it. I like to start my day with a clean, fresh face. I start by applying moisturizer, and of course my fur baby walks in to check up on me. I just have been using a simple and expensive vitamin E lotion that I buy on Amazon. I'm going to be linking all the products in the description below, so don't worry. LeBron always likes to walk around like he owns the place, and he doesn't believe in doors being closed, so he's very nosy, and he followed me to the bathroom. He does it all the time, but he's so cute, so I don't mind. I love him. So once my face is moisturized, the next step is to take a primer. I've been using the Shape Tape primer because I like how it leaves sort of a sticky feeling layer. It makes me feel like it really grips onto the rest of my makeup and whatever else that I'm putting on my face. Now I'm putting my hair back to get the bangs out of my face. I think I got this headband at like Five Below or maybe even Target. It was really inexpensive. I got it like sometime last year, but it does a good job as to what it has to. And then of course I wet my beauty sponge. A nice damp beauty sponge is perfect for blending. Now I apply a tinted moisturizer onto the back of my hand, and I kind of just dab it onto my face and neck to get a good seamless blend between the two. I accidentally scratched my upper lip the other day, but that's okay. I'm just gonna go gentle in that area. And once I blend all of that out, I use a lip and cheek pencil to apply blush. I use a brush to kind of get it on first. I've been using this because I really like the color. It's like a cute rosy color for spring that blends really well. And it's not too pigmented, so it's perfect for layering. I use my clean fingers to just blend it across my cheekbones and up onto my temple. I feel like using this motion gives a cutesy but lifted appearance. And over that, I apply a nice pink blush just to add more intensity and get that creamy blush set in place. Don't forget to apply chapstick. I usually do this right after I moisturize my skin, but today I kind of forgot about it. It's fine, better late than never. I'm now going to focus on the eyes. I don't use a primer, just whatever's left over on my makeup sponge. I just dab that onto my eye. And I fill in my eyebrows with an eyebrow gel. I like this one because it's like a good thin brush. and it's perfect size for my eyebrows because I like a thinner brow. It makes my eyebrows just darker, but not wider or heavier. So I would definitely recommend this product. I think it works really, really well, and it has some good reviews, and I definitely recommend it. Zooming onto my eye, I'm just applying a pink shimmery shade all over my lid. Like I said, this is inspired by Douyin / K-beauty type of look, and they always have pinky shimmery shades, which is super cute for spring at the moment. Unfortunately, the palette that I'm using is discontinued, but any cute shade would really work. I only use 2 shades to achieve this look, so I kind of would just use whatever you have. You don't have to go out and buy anything. I've always felt that there's no right or wrong way to do makeup, just whatever you feel is right for your face and your style. Definitely don't be afraid to try out new looks. Makeup is not as hard or tricky as it seems, I promise, and as long as you blend everything out, it'll all turn out fine. Next, I'm using sort of a mauve shade under my eyes. And what I like to do is kind of follow the shape of my eyes and extend that past the corner of my eye using a thinner brush. It kind of creates the illusion of like a winged look, but super, super easy. Like the easiest winged look you will ever do. And then you kind of just connect that bottom wing to the top of your lash line to create more of that defined wing look. And that's kind of it for that winged look. I don't normally apply eyeliner because I like more of a softer, brighter, cleaner look, and I feel like, on me at least, eyeliner looks a little too harsh because maybe I can never get it right. So that's kind of all that I do, and then after that I just move on to mascara. So I start off by curling my lashes and then I apply mascara. The best way is to kind of hold the wand at the base of your lashes and twist and blink so that the product moves forward and gives you more of an extended look. For lips, I just use a pink shimmery gloss, and that's about it. So this is the finished look, what you saw in the beginning. It's cutesy, it's simple, it's natural, clean, soft looking. It's perfect for spring and daytime adventures. It has that cute faux wing type of look with no eyeliner, so much easier. I hope you really enjoyed this, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!